Hi everyone. Recently did a huge update on my interactive brokers spreadsheet. Now you can track all types of trades, stocks, options, futures. Long and short. Updated the design, changed the P&L calendar layout, added many more metrics. In this video I will guide you through the process of using and setting up the spreadsheet. When you first open it, there should be some sample data inside, so you can have a look how everything works. Let's go through each of tabs and look at its purpose. The Buttons tab. This is where most of the controls for Workbook are located. Here you can import your CSV execution file, compile it into trades, prepare the datasheet for the next import, delete all of the data, refresh the workbook, change the font for text, buttons and main dashboard. Here you also can get access to the compiler, what will compile your trades 100 times faster than the built-in compiler. When Workbook is full with formulas and formatting, the code execution gets much slower, so I created a solution: the compiler. The next tab we are checking out next is the main dashboard. You can access it at the side menu or at its tab next to the Buttons tab. The top part of main dashboard shows all time statistics. Everything underneath is date range statistics. There is many filters to filter out your trades. You can filter your trades by year, months, days, by loss or win, by instrument type. Long calls, puts, stocks and futures, same goes for short side. Can filter out trades by manually added option strategies, also by manually added demons or mistakes and strategies. And also filter by day of the week. This will show the trades closed on particular weekday. And the last filter is symbol or ticker filter. At the bottom of page you will see a summary of the data sheet. Found it quite useful not to check out the filtered trades on the same page, rather going back to datasheet and searching there. This data at the bottom of page is not editable and is just a projection of datasheet. Next we got the Data tab. Here comes all of your compiled data. Here you can add demons, mistakes, strategies and option strategies. It's quite simple, just select one of cells and choose the value from drop-down list. I will show you how to edit mistake and strategy names a bit later. If you are trading some option strategies, compiler not gonna mark them as option strategies but as separate trades. You will have to do it manually for each leg. You probably got a question, why there is 2 P&L columns. I added the second one recently due to an issue when Interactive Broker's CSV file is not showing profit when selling an option contract and it goes to 0. So I added a second profit and loss column to fix it. Also here you can see all of the formulas used to run the statistics. Feel free to add your own. Just unhide the columns and add new column into the table. Next let's move to the Dashboard 2 sheet. Here you can view the same statistics as in main dashboard and a bit more. Here you can add your start balance. It is connected to formulas so it's advisable to enter it. Also here you can enter your daily risk percentage. What will show current currency value risk from the current account balance. Any drawdown below it will be marked in datasheet in red color. Here also you can enter your own strategies and option strategies. Just be aware that demons or mistakes can be edited on the next tab, we'll show you in a minute. Also strategies and option strategies are editable only on the left side of the sheet, right side is connected with formulas. Left side is all time statistics and right side is date range statistics. You can change the date on the top of page. Next tab is demons or mistakes sheet. This is an interactive monthly tracker. It will count how many times you have entered the particular mistake in datasheet. Also I added one separate perfect trade tracker, to track your perfect trades. You can edit the mistakes in column F. Next tab is a yearly, monthly P&L tracker. Took me some time to get this done. But it's here and I don't think it needs an explanation. It is also fully interactive by a year. Next we got the brain of importing and compiling. This is where the CSV file gets imported, then compiled, and finally split into pivot charts for main dashboard. Sheets, Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Database. Check out my next video on how to import and compile your CSV files and how to use the compiler. Let me know if you got any questions.